Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Naman Baby, and we are back with another vlog of our cats. Mama is here. Yes, you are in the right direction. Come, come, come. Yeah. Mama, we are coming. Only the little one is there. You are on the right direction, wrong direction. Come here. Come here, baby. Be with Mama. That's a caring Mama. That's cat care. Don't struggle. Mama will feed everyone. You can hear the purring sound of little kittens. They're happy. The little one is still struggling. Sleep. Okay, nice. Don't fear, I'm here. My cat is very cautious, looking here and there whether some tomcat or some other animal should not come here, shall not come here. Mama cats are very caring and very protective for their kids. It's cleaning time. Meow. So guys, I think you just love this small vlog of our kittens and cat Mama. With this I'm signing off. Thank you for watching. Keep watching Naman Baby. Bye bye. That's not a dog or cat. That's only a rooster. Don't get feared. Mama is warning that rooster. Don't come near. Bye bye friends. Keep loving us.